Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use different themes in Google Slides. So, what is a theme? Now, a theme it is a preset group of colors, fonts, backgrounds, and layouts, which means it is the background mainly in which your font, your colors, and layouts are presented. So, these are the steps we will follow. So, now let's go to the implementation. So, over here, I have this slide that I created. So if I want to change this white, the full white background, what I have to do is click on slide, click on change theme, then select the slide that I want to. Now it is changing the, the font and the type and everything else. And you can also click this and also like increase the size. You can also select the font and you can also decrease this and also increase them. You can make this bold or unbold them. So these are the things and these are the steps you need to follow to change the theme. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to use different themes in Google Slides. Thank you for watching.